Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, stock number E2248A. 63,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Grand Caravan brand new, Granite Crystal Metallic in color. You do receive the Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. This Grand Caravan seats 7, cloth interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Stow and go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. And power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage all behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the backside, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can of course fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Very clean, as you can see, no dents or dings in the body. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for latch system to keep child seats completely secure. This SXT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Cruise control, radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Lots of storage space in the center console. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, liftgate and sliding door controls. And conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance. Anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles per gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Grand Caravan, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.